This video will demonstrate how the DeskConnect desktop automation driver can seamlessly send key information from documents, including handwritten documents, to SharePoint. Having pre-configured a workflow for this document type, all I need to do is submit the document. The driver intuitively identifies and processes the document using the designated workflow. Now that my document has been assisted, we can see the output in SharePoint. Not only is the file transferred, but pivotal SharePoint index data is also successfully integrated. It's worth highlighting that this approach can even discern checkboxes. As illustrated in our example, the credit sale box was accurately detected as marked and represented in a SharePoint index. The other SharePoint indexes were populated using the handwritten text from the document. The desktop automation driver is notably efficient, as many files can be swiftly processed at once. In addition to SharePoint, the driver also offers a plethora of alternative output destinations. Another feature of the driver is heads-up indexing, which allows users to rectify any potential inaccuracies found during the document text reading process. Every piece of OCR text is assigned a confidence level. If this level dips below a user-defined threshold by default, it is 90%. The driver seeks user verification to ensure 100% accuracy in the output. In summary, the DeskConnect desktop automation driver provides an innovative system for efficient document transfer, storage, and management, ensuring streamlined operations and enhanced productivity for businesses.